Power is a better way to track high-intensity training and help push you past where you were last week. Here's how it works. Power consists of a sensor and an app. The sensor contains a strong magnet that allows it to be easily and securely attached to your kettlebell. Next, open the app and connect to Power. Select a mode, movement, weight, and duration, then press start when you're ready to begin. The app gives you a countdown so you have time to set up. Power completely automates the flow of your workout by keeping track of reps and the work you've completed, as well as signaling when it's time to rest and when it's time to work again. You're also able to race against your prior performance in the workout or compete with others in person or anywhere around the world. When your workout is finished, the app shows you a summary of your workout and saves the data so you can see your progress over time. You can also share your results on Facebook or Instagram. To learn more, please check us out at getpower.io.